So today we had a broad and very engaging meeting, and I want to thank Minister for his support to co-chair. Also on our side, it was a true Team Europe spirit as there were several ministers co-chairing this meeting. The partnership of African Union and European Union over the past 25 years has delivered concrete results. And the presence here in Brussels of over 70 delegations, including more than 50 ministers, demonstrates how lively our shared commitment to deepen this partnership is. This paves the way for a successful summit later this year. As underlined to the ministers, the European Union is the partner Africa can rely on. We are actively supporting peace and security on the African continent. EU support to African partners through the European Peace Facility is over €1 billion. More than half of all the EU common security and defence policy missions operate in Africa. These missions contribute directly to the stability of the continent. We have delivered drones, surveillance aircraft, maritime equipment to African partners, and we have been consistent in advocating for predictable UN funding for African Union-led peace operations. The European Union and Member States also remain Africa's first and closest cooperation partner. Nearly €150 billion in investment has been committed under the EU's Global Gateway strategy to enhance infrastructure, digital connectivity and green transitions all across Africa. And the European Union is a champion for Africa's presence at the multilateral fora. We were the strongest advocate for African Union's membership in G20, for example. Together, the European Union and African Union represent around 40% of the votes in the United Nations. This gives us also shared global responsibility to make our voices heard and to push for the kind of reforms that we want to see in the United Nations. Our joint commitment to UN Charter is clearly reaffirmed in the communiqué we adopted today. As we heard today, the will to do more is strong. Key priorities emerging from our discussions include a commitment to greater collaboration in critical raw materials, artificial intelligence, regional integration and also mobility. These areas will shape the engagement in the lead-up to the European Union-African Union Summit later this year. So, dear Minister, thank you again for co-chairing and also having this very good and fruitful discussions. Thank you. Over to you.